All right, I want to start by taking a look at stock ticker symbol HMNY. But first, this was brought to us over here on our live stream on investorshangout.com/live for us to take a look at. And I'll say, yeah, sure, I'll take a look at it first. Over here on Investors Hangout, buy rating right now, the analysis reporting for this one is going to be 1 at a strong buy. Okay, so it's not going to help us out a ton. I usually like it if it's over 1. The company, the time and sales as well, you can use. I use this more for smaller stocks than anything. You're going to get a lot of trades in a stock like this. For example, we're looking at the chart right now. 4 million shares traded so far today. Average volume for the last 20 days has been about 9 million shares. Beautiful move here, but what really stood out to me is the person that requested for us to take a look at this. I'm not going to say your name here, but just requested this, bought in at $12. So such an exciting time for this stock. Such an exciting time right now. Me personally, not to kill the vibe or anything like this, but we're gonna put a level up here at $28 is going to be a support level that I'm going to put in here. My personal opinion, I think that's going to be a fairly good one. Especially around the 28, 30, 29. The low of the top at 10.11, which would have been yesterday. You guys got that spinning top. Now, if we were watching this, doing this live yesterday, I would have told you guys right here, I would really watch this one. Slow down, guys. You guys are getting outside that upper Bollinger Band. Usually when that happens, you're going to get a pullback. And when you have a pullback, that's kind of what happened here. It just got overbought. Now, these charts come into play here. 96 on the RSI. That's going to be very, very overbought right there, guys. And that's what's happening right now. Starting to pull down a little bit. How far is it going to go? Well, that's going to be anybody's guess, in my personal opinion. But if you guys break through $28, my personal opinion, $22.96 could follow up behind that. $22.96 could follow up behind that. If that $28 mark breaks, again, back into the buying area. You guys are still at 79 on the RSI. Could it come all the way down to 22? It's very, very possible. It's just going to be a matter of that 28 holding. 22.96 going to follow up on a support level off of that, 19.21 at $13. Looking over here at the resistance levels, you guys are hitting all-time highs here. It looks like maybe back over here. Okay, so we're going to have 30 marks, 30. I'll put a 30 over here for a resistance. Yeah, 30. There we go. All right, so we're going to put in our data. 10/12, today's date. 28.30. Resistance levels. I'm going to put it at 30 right here. And then that high, 38. Yeah, 30. I'm going to say that you're going to hit resistance at 33. That's probably where a lot of people got in that might want to get out. Now, support is going to be at 28. 22.96, 19.21, 13.01. In my opinion, if 28 All right, so again, that's what I'm going to be watching for here. Let it. I would let it cool down here for a few days here. Watch which way it's going. You guys are at a top of a huge move here for this one. At a top of a huge move for this one. The gains, I mean, like I said, somebody just told us that they were in at $12. We're talking 100% gain already. So you're going to be a little far off of that now. You guys got your profits, lock them in. Spinning top, not too sure which way it wants to go. That's what we're seeing right now. So it could continue to keep going. I would let it cool down for a few days here, in my personal opinion. HMNY, if you're following the stock, I definitely encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com/live. That's going to be our live show right here. And you can participate by telling us about the stocks that you're following, and we'll take a look at them next. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe if you're new.